Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change Google Chrome language to English. So first step, you need to click on three dots on the top right, and if your language is another language, so you simply need to make sure that you remember the icon. So this is the settings. So make sure that this icon is visible to you, then you need to click on that. And once you are here you can see a world map option. Click on that option. So once you are here you can see different options. You simply need to click on add language, and here you need to write the English. So I'm going to select English, for example this one. Click on add, and once it is added, here it is. Then you simply need to click on three dots, and here you can see that now it is this language is displaying. So you simply need to select that, and that language will be updated. So this is a process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.